Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to set multiple home pages edge. Open the Edge browser. There, from Settings and More, click on Settings. You must click on the option Start Home and New Tab Page. With the box Open these pages active, click on Add a new page. Enter the address of the site and click on Add. To check this, close and open Edge again. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.